Google built this tool that was really, really cool, and it's called Google Lens. And it lets you go to any web page in Google Chrome, and you can search any image on that page to figure out where does it come from, what's the source, etc., etc. However, that tool, Google Lens, does not work as it used to work. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If I right-click on this image, I used to have the ability to say search with Google Lens. It doesn't work. By the way, this is true in any social media. Go to LinkedIn. I'm gonna go to my profile. Let's see, just go to my content. Let's just use this image up top. Right-click, search with Google Lens. It's not there. But interestingly, on Amazon, I can right-click on an image and I get search this tab with Google Lens. It is there. It's just not working the same way it used to work. But there's a solution. Let me show you a solution. Again, this only works in Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, you've got to turn on the tool in your toolbar. Let me show you how to do it. The easiest way to do this is open up a new tab. When you open up a new tab in Google Chrome, Customize Chrome. Go to Customize Chrome and then find Toolbar. In Toolbar, scroll down and find Search this tab with Google Lens. Boom, turn that on. Once I turn that on, then I can come out of this. I can even come out of this tab. Now I can go back to anywhere I want to go back to. I don't right-click on the image to do it. What you do is you click on the toolbar where it says search this tab with Lens. Click on it. Now I can select that image, highlight it, and Google Lens will go search. And it looks like not only am I using that image on my profile, but many others are as well. I think that's a public image. I don't think that's my own image. But bottom line, I can go to Facebook, come out of this, go to Facebook, and click on that tool, highlight this image, and then Google Lens is going to go find that image. And this is really interesting. I'm not the only one creating that style of image. Many others are as well. And so you can search pretty much any website. And as you're looking at this website, you got to click on the tool, and then you can go over here and highlight that image. And Google Lens will go search to see if that image shows up anywhere else. This is very useful if you're trying to do what we used to refer to as reverse image lookup, so that you can validate the content, the source, the originality of information that you're looking at, so that you can validate, is it real or is it fake? I'm Teddy. My purpose is to help you overcome the risks and the fears of using technology, and I hope this is helpful for you.